So in this question, they're asking what rational number lies exactly halfway between 1/6 and 4/7. Now, rational, in case you forgot, that's just a fraction. Okay, when you see the word rational, that means a fraction. So, what fraction lies exactly halfway between 1/6 and 4/7? And there's a bunch of ways you could figure this out. You could draw yourself a picture, you could make a ruler diagram and try to do some fancy algebra, but I think the fastest way, when you want to find something halfway between two numbers, another way of saying this is the average. Okay, this is what an average is. An average is halfway between two things. So if you get a 40 and a 60 on a test, your average score is a 50, right? It's halfway between the two scores. So I want to know what is the average of these two numbers. And the way you calculate the average is you say 1/2 of the sum. So in other words, 1/2 of 1/6 plus 4/7. Okay, so in this problem, we're going to be doing addition of fractions and multiplication of fractions. So those might be a little dusty, depending on how long it's been since you practiced this without a calculator. But I would encourage you to do this without a calculator, because if you do it with a calculator, it might give you some ugly decimal, and who knows which one of these your ugly decimal is going to be. So 1/2 of, and let's do 1/6 plus 4/7. Remember, you need common denominators. So 1/6, well, we have to figure out what's a common denominator between 6 and 7. So you can multiply them together. 1/6 turns into 7 over 42, right? I multiplied the top and bottom by 7. And on this side, this guy right here, I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 6. That way I get another 42 over here. Multiply the top by 6 and you get 24. Okay, so now I have two fractions which have common denominators. I love common denominators because now you can add them together. And that equals 1/2 times, 7 plus 24 is going to be 31. And the bottom denominators just combine. You don't add the denominators together, you just combine them. So I have 31 over 42. 1/2 of that equals 1 times 31 is just 31. 2 times 42 is 84. 31 over 84. And there we go, right in the list.